a client, sometimes even employees get to speak with one of us, they demand to speak to the guy in charge. Over the years, I've come to when it's a phone call and someone asks to speak to the man in charge, I politely put them on hold for a moment and then pick back up because I am the one in charge. But, sometimes it's that amount of a little bit of audacity that we have to have and put our foot down in those situations when we shouldn't need to clarify our position. And a lot of times it's also like you have to have your resume out there for the world to see to prove that you know what you know and you can do what you can do. And that's not the case with, a lot of other industries. And it's not the case with the gentlemen that hold our same positions. So that needs to change as well.